city car in trouble. Look, kids! It's the city car. Today he's on a lookout for a job. He really wants to be a taxi, because when you have a job, it means you're proved to be useful for the city you live in. Oh no! Looks like our friend couldn't find a job again. Don't worry, young fella. You should go see Bibi. He'll help you.
Bibi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. Bibi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. Bibi's fixes all these orders.
It's another day at work for Bibi. He's waiting for some new customers outside the workshop.
Hey there! You look worried. Do you need some help?
And the city car told Bibi about his troubles. How he was looking for a taxi job for the whole past week.
Oh,
But couldn't get employed.
I see. Don't worry. I know a way to help you. Come on in, my friend. Woohoo! Okay, if you want to be a taxi, you should look like a taxi. We must make sure the passengers can see and recognize you. Taxi cabs are so bright. So first of all, we need to paint you up. Which color should we choose?
How about this color?
Oh no, I think that's what ambulance looks like.
What about this color?
Nope, that's for shopping trucks.
Maybe this will do.
Of course! Now you look a lot more like a taxi. Okay, now let's get your rooftop light. The one that's bright and shiny.
Is this the right one?
Nope, that's a police roof light bar. They use it when there's an emergency.
How about the speakers?
Oh no! We must make sure people see it, not hear it.
Is this the right one?
You bet! That's just what we need! Great job! Alright, city car. Now you look like a proper taxi cab. Good luck!
And so our friend City Car has become a real taxi cab. Now he can help people around the town to go where they want. Thanks, Bibi!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the Bibi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.